Hi student, most welcome on my channel Light of Asia. Now today the eukaryotic genome organization. We will start. Point number 8. Pyrimidine is one of the two classes of heterocyclic nitrogenous bases found in the nucleic acid DNA and RNA. Everyone well known about the DNA and RNA, but furthermore study about DNA and RNA is eukaryotic genome organization. Two classes of pyrimidine. Pyrimidine is one of the two classes. Here we are broadly categories drawn the structure just in the two classes of pyrimidine. First in DNA, second in RNA. Nitrogenous bases in two classes, while cytosine, thymine by a thiamine replaced by uracil. It means during the RNA transcription or any other process, suppose that DNA to DNA and DNA to RNA. When the RNA developed from the DNA, it is known as transcription. During the transcription, you well known about in the previous lecture, adenine with double bond thymine, while cytosine with triple bond guanine. But sometimes thymine, adenine double bond with uracil. It means adenine with thymine in DNA, while in RNA it means during the transcription of RNA, adenine bond with uracil. It means thymine replaced by uracil. Point number 9. Structure of cytosine, thymine and uracil. What? All the three nitrogenous bases single ring structures. It means the cytosine and thymine and uracil all are single ring structure. Please wait, I draw the structure is also and discuss is also while you write some notes. Cytosine is one of the four nitrogenous bases found in nucleic acid, that means DNA and RNA. It is pyrimidine derivative. It means cytosine is derivative of pyrimidine. with a heterocyclic aromatic ring. What is the heterocyclic? Just we are discussed before, but a small discuss here is also when the structure, draw the structure, and two substituent attached. We know that in the before lecture, adenine bond with thymine and cytosine bond with guanine. While this condition is in DNA, while in RNA, adenine attached with uracil and cytosine attached with guanine, while adenine with thymine, adenine with uracil. It means two classes. Thymine is also one of four bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, uracil. You will know thymine bonding with purine base adenine. As you know, adenine bond with thymine, while in RNA adenine bond with uracil. Uracil is also one of the four bases that part of RNA. It means uracil extremely occupy in RNA. Point number 9, notes are given before while the discuss the structure of cytosine and thymine and uracil. You have look every structure very carefully, and because the cytosine, thymine, uracil are very close in similarities and very close in molecular formula, close, very close to the solubility. So, structure you can see the molecular formula. C is carbon 4, just one in the C in the cytosine, carbon 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means carbon 4, while the counting start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nitrogen is occupy position number 1 and 3. And this is the out of ring. Sometimes formula right of the cytosine, how the nitrogen number 2. Why? Because this nitrogen is not occupied in the ring. It is the outside. But complete cytosine have formula is nitrogen 3 and oxygen 1, hydrogen 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can itself check the valency of nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The property, a simple property, discuss here the cytosine, molecular formula, this, and solubility of water. Solubility in water of the cytosine is 30.9 gram per liter. It means in a 1 liter water, only cytosine soluble 30.9 gram. Here, in thiamine, the molecular formula carbon 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, hydrogen 6, 1 and 3, 4, 4. Here lived 4 and 5, here and 6. So, C5H6, nitrogen is 2, position number 1 and 3. Oxygen is 2, position number 2 and 4. So, that's complete. So, solubility in water 3.82 gram per liter. It means in a liter of water 3.82 gram dissolve. It means compared to the cytosine and thymine, the solubility is greater of cytosine than thymine, because here 30.9 gram soluble, here only 3 gram soluble, approximately 4. Let's we see in the uracil. Uracil have a molecular formula C4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. H4, 1, 2, 3 and H4. Nitrogen 1 and 2. It means position number 1 in the ring and position number 3 in the ring nitrogen is occupied. And oxygen point number 2, position number 2 and 4 occupy. It means the oxy group in the thymine 2 oxy group occupy in the position number 2 and 4, while 2 oxy group is also occupy in the uracil position number 2 and 4, while in cytosine a amine group occupy in the position number 4, while nitrogen occupy all 3 bases have similar, because in cytosine 1 and 3 position, in thymine 1 and 3 position, in uracil 1 and 3 position. So, you can itself all the 3 differences between among them. Write itself what is the similar differences. Here the amine group, here is not, and here a number of carbon is 4, here the number of carbon 5, here the number of carbon 4, while here the nitrogen number 3, it means 1, 2, 3, 3 nitrogen occupy, while here nitrogen number 2, here also the nitrogen number 2. This is the basic differences. Structure you can see the oxy group, 2 oxy group occupy in the thymine and uracil, while in cytosine only the 1 oxy group is occupied in the position number 2. So you can check the similarities between cytosine, thymine and uracil. You can see the structure is single ring structure. This is the very basic similarities. And second similarity is the in the ring, not out of the ring, in the ring. It means in the ring, all nitrogen 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3 positions have, while the Thymine and uracil have also the one similarities between oxy group occupied 2 and 4 position. So many similarities and differences you can itself